it's very important for the Kremlin to demonstrate not only the success of integration, but Putin's attention and Putin's personal involvement into restoration of those regions. And as you perhaps know, Putin did even visit secretly this region. He did visit it, and the information about this visit was publicized when he came back to Moscow. It's important that the Kremlin did learn from lessons of Crimean integration. And the first and very important lesson learned is that it's needed to have only one center of command, only one center of decision making. And this is Commander-in-Chief, Putin himself. So his assistants and his representatives are working there, not only those I've mentioned, but Sergei Kiriyenko, the first deputy chief of presidential staff, who is responsible for social political bloc. But if at the time of Crimea there was special federal district, there was special federal ministry, there was governor, and all of them were competing for power and for resources. Now it's different, and we do not have anything like this. We do not have conflicts within elites due to the fact that all decisions at the very top are made by Putin personally.